half a capsicum, half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 150 grams of ginger, 6 mushrooms cut into quarters, and some spring onion. And this is what we're going to use to make chicken in ginger stir fry. Okay, add the oil to a low heat in the pan. Add your garlic on that low heat and cook through. Turn the heat up to high to medium, then add your chicken and cook it. Stir fry. Now add half a tablespoon of light soy sauce so it will cook while the chicken cooks. Give it that marinade. Then add some pepper. Cook it through. Okay, add your onions. Your ginger, stir fry through. And your capsicum, and add the mushrooms and stir. Add 1/2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 8 drops or 8 shakes of seasoning sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of MSG, and mix and stir fry. Time for a taste test. Spring onion. Stir. And cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add a bit more pepper. And it's done. Easy. Plate up, serve, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you make it, you'll love it.